Hi Shelly, hope you're doing alright and a very good week. Just going through your check-ins and stuff now, obviously changing the way I'm doing it slightly. So on every Friday you will get a check-in from down here. There'll be a date next to it and then the YouTube link. So a link to YouTube to open it up so you can see all of this as you would have done today. So just look out for that every Friday. I'm trying to find a way where I can kind of mass notify everybody, but until then, just check. And if you're unsure, if I haven't seen that you've watched it, I'll send you a link. With regards to training, I've seen you in there training loads, and you do train hard as hell, which is perfect. But the lowest was 4 kilo weights in the gym. I was in and struggled. If that happens, a real easy way of changing that is hold on to plates, so weight plates that you actually put onto barbells and stuff. Literally just hold on to, so you go 1 1/4, 2 1/2, that type of stuff. Or I don't mind if you change out for something else. So it might be a case of even grabbing a cable machine and doing it from there. Just literally take the pin out, which is nice and light, going that way. Oh, excuse me. That's perfect. Make notes like this. They work really well. Struggle to finish 13. That's okay. Yeah, if you are struggling, but you want to increase the weight from... Oh, that's a big old jump from last time. 10 kilo, 15 kilo. Okay. Not too much of an issue, but just means that next time you come in, stick with 15 because you'll be doing 4 sets of 12. Yeah. Which leads me on to the next point, is making sure I know what week you are on. Okay, so for example, you filled in all this. Are you on week? You are moving on to week 3 next, right? Sorry, it's probably not the greatest from me, but I just need to make sure. I just need to know, that way I don't have to get your plan and stuff ready for next phase. So if you can just let us know that one, just real quickly. With nutrition, bang on, really good. It's nice to see. So no issues there. Measurements, however. So with measurements, I know and stuff you'll be away. That's not an issue because obviously you can't always track everything. But this weight right here, new lowest weigh-in. Brilliant. It's awesome. Okay. Considering we start at 135, we are increasing muscle mass as we're going, and 133 is the next one, which is literally spot on, perfect. If this happens, your lower back gets tight, best thing to do is just do some mobility on it. It would have been due to deadlifts, just because it does take an absolute beating from them. With here, Easter weekend, wipe out with food. Majority of people do. Okay, don't let it get you. Just get back on track the next day. It's a new day. Carry on from there. Like I say, still lowest weigh-in, so it didn't ruin anything. Okay. This is good. Still stay on track of food as much as you can. Like, things creep up in life. You do have to go away. You do have to do things like that. But just do what you can. Yeah. So I'm not going to make any changes to your cardio, to your food, to anything this week. Just keep going as is, and then next week I'll take some progress photos from you, and we'll go from there. All right. Hope you're having a good weekend, and I will see you later. See you Monday. See you later, Shelly. Bye.